This one is cool. It's done. So here it is, and the original one isn't painted, so I painted the brick red. Tree is green, of course. I got the star on top of the tree gold. I put green moldings on the buildings, and then I have two stars. This one's green with red in the bottom, and this one's red with green in the bottom. And I detailed out the top as well. So I found this on Pringles.com, and it's number 665672, Snow Globe Votive Ornament and Christmas Town. Of course, the color version is not on their site.